channel. So today is all about glam tutorial. Since we are in the holiday season, why not bring something holiday worthy so we all can enjoy and live our best lives. So without chatting too much, I hope you guys enjoy this video. First, I'll use this face primer from Roro and apply all over my face. Next, Miss Dido's foundation, but any good quality drugstore foundation will equally work just fine. Next, Rollinate concealer. This concealer hasn't gone anywhere. It's my go-to concealer. To set that concealer, I'm going to use sachet setting powder. There goes my favorite brow comb. And this pencil from Malai in the color chestnut and the other one in the color black. I'm going to use the black. To define the brow and the chestnut color to fill in the brow. There comes the chestnut color, which I'm using to fill in the brow. Then I'm wiping away the powder. To set the foundation, I use this pressed powder from Mary Kay. Moving on to eyes, I'll use this shade from Ashes palette and work that into my crease. For the lid, I'll use this shade and work that also on my lid. Next, I'm going to use this mascara from GZ. I'm also going to load mascara to my bottom lash. For blush, I'll use this shade up here and top it up with a shade down here. For lip, I'll go in with this fruit balm from Ashes to hydrate my lips first, and then this liquid lipstick from Classic. So that's the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below, and I'll try to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.